The Weller D550PK brings professional strength and control to the serious hobbyist, with two clear front-facing lights for clarity. Pistol grip design with easy adjustment fingertip trigger switches between 260 watt and 200 watt settings. Heats up completely in just 6 seconds, transferring heat to the heavy-gauge tin-plated copper tip. Contains the D550-260W, 200W dual heat gun, 2-wire cord, and basic accessories, a coil of lead-free solder, flux brush, and 3 tin-plated copper tips for soldering, smoothing, and cutting, all held in a blow-molded plastic carrying case. Kit contains a D550 soldering gun, a coil of lead-free solder and one each of soldering, smoothing and cutting tips. Ready to use in 6 seconds. Fingertip trigger allows you to easily select high or low output. Top reviews from the United States. Plenty of power for large wire joints. Does the job with joining large size wires. Looks very sturdily built.